Okay, so I want to show you how to install one of these in here. Now, I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing it with the bits in it, but you'll see. So the closer you are to the corner, the tighter this bin is. There's a lot more give in the middle. So you just got to take it easy. Set one side down inside this pinhole, and get my flathead. And then I just slowly work it. Push. And then just work it down. Get it to there. This looks like it needs to go over and down. You hear it pop in. Now, if you do have a couple bits in it, it will make it easier for you to do this. But once you start rotating this a few, it seats those pins inside the hole. And then you should be good to go. I will tell you that if you put one of the tiny ones in there, you definitely want to have a bunch of bits in it so that you have something to grab onto. If you put it in the top, it's certainly easier. Right? So you've got this, you can pull it open, and there to go. You're good to go. And when you start rotating that, it sort of wears the part until they seat into each other. Okay? But getting it down into the bottom of this furthest spot, you just need to take your time. Okay, pry again. You hear it pop. Okay, I went a little too far, so I'm going to use the screwdriver again. Back and forth. Super fun. Once you get them in, you're good. But let's see, you can sort of use the screwdriver to walk it. There you are. Popped in. And you just work it a couple times. Good to go. Some bits in. Allows you to work it loose. And you're good to go. But that's pretty much how I install them. On the corners, once you start getting further out, it's a lot easier. You're good to go. Thanks a lot.